Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Horace here. What to sell on Amazon. And once again, I have another jump on it video. And that's where I'm out and about, usually at work. But wherever I happen to be, if I can find a deal for you, I'll go ahead and share that so that we can help you make advances and have success selling on Amazon. And as you can see, I'm not at work. I'm actually out here in Anaheim, California for an event. My daughter's graduating, and I tell you what, this will be the last jump on it video segment. We'll still have the channel What to Sell on Amazon. This will be the last jump on it section, and if you're interested in why we're going to discontinue that, stay tuned. We'll get into that at the end of the video, but let's take a quick look at what we found for you today. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I'm at the Walmart.com website, and what I found is a toy doll. As you can see, it's the Sophia, the first Royal Sophia dolls. That's $12.99, and you can see that's Walmart. And if I go over to Amazon, just play Sophia, the first Royal Sophia doll, and we can see what that's selling for. So you can see that starts at $29.90, but if we actually click on that, look around a little bit and see if we can get that to load. And if we look at our other sellers, of course, we're only concerned with the prime sellers. You can see $29.90, $29.94, $29.95, $29.95. So that's about where you are. And if you notice, the first two are back ordered. Look at the ranks on these. This guy has 67 total ratings, 25, 12. These guys don't have a lot of experience, but what that'll tell you right off the bat is that you're most likely going to be approved to sell this. The keeper charts really don't tell you as much as they used to anymore, but if we hover over the statistics, what I like to look at is the average. You're averaging 1950, but that's over the last 90 days. Just an hour ago, they sold one for $29.90. And then, like I said, when you're looking at everybody around $29.95, that's pretty much where you're holding. And you can see that Amazon is out of stock. So I like that. And then if you go back out to the root listing and you come down to the product rank and you see 61,410 in toys and games, that's very, very good rank. If you're not familiar with that, you can watch some of the other videos or sign up for the free course, and you can see somewhere around May the 1st, the price really went up on that, and it's been trending up around $29, $30, whatever. So you really want to get in this, make a move, and get on it. But if you go over to Jungle Scout and look at the Amazon estimator. I talk about that in the free course. I talk about it in other videos. And I already stuck the rank in there under the right category. And you're averaging, like, you're putting out about 60 sales a month. And if that isn't enough to convince you, you go over to, you can see where I'm at here, the clearshelf.com Amazon sales rank chart. And if you come over, actually, if you come down to toys and games, which is right here, and you look at that column, we're like 60 some thousand, so that will put you in the third column. You're in the top 3%. That's a good one. So all you do from there is come over to your revenue calculator. And if we went in at $29.90, cost me about 50 cents to ship it in FBA, and I'm going to pay 6% sales tax. So I'm going to pay $13.77 per, and I'm still going to make $6.24. So I got a margin of about 21%. And I mean, that's not the best margins. Certainly you can do better, but you're not going to always get the best margins. So basically what I'm saying, guys, I would jump on that. So, make a move. I hope that helps out. But now we're going to get into the final part of this segment. All right. Okay, guys. So as I was saying earlier, this will be the last jump on it segment that we do for the channel. And the reason why is basically, okay, you got to understand this channel, What to Sell on Amazon. This channel is all about helping people become successful buying and selling on that platform in order to change their lives. And while that's all fine and good, that entails a lot of work. That means you would have to actually go out and do something. And, my team, we're really not seeing the traction with it. We're really not seeing where it really matters to anybody. And how would we see that? Well, we're not seeing the engagement. We're not seeing the comments. We'll do a jump on it video and it's really not getting the views. And the point is this. I mean, this takes a lot of my time. I'm taking time out of what I'm doing for the purpose of helping people and bringing value. And if by chance it's not bringing value, then it's really not worth my time. I'm doing this oftentimes while I'm at work. I don't know if my employer would appreciate that, but I'm doing this to bring value to you, the viewer. I'm bringing it to the channel. That was the intention, but you try things and you don't always get it right. In our best estimation, this has not been the right move. And, just to go off a little bit on a tangent, you have to keep it 100 and bear in mind, most people come to YouTube for the purposes of entertainment, right? And so then you may ask, okay, so why would someone be at What to Sell on Amazon when that's clearly a channel devoted to people who want to take action and do things and make an improvement and a difference and grow? How could that possibly be entertainment? Well, let me explain. A lot of people like to fancy themselves as someone who's taking action. Some people equate watching videos to actually taking action. Now, you and I may know rationally thinking that's not true, but we can all fall into that. That doesn't make you a bad person. Then On the other hand, you have people who never have any intentions on taking action, but they just like to learn things. They're never going to do anything with it, but they just enjoy the process of learning. For them, that's a form of growth, and they just like to know what's going on. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just that, you know, we have decided that we just cannot continue to do this on this platform. You know, this may not be the right platform for jump on it. Okay, let me give you a quick example. You take an acorn and you stick it in your pocket and nothing happens. You take that same acorn, you put it in the right environment, which would be fertile soil, water, nutrients, and all of a sudden things start to happen. So it could be a situation where the jump on it segment is a good thing in the wrong place. We got to put it in the right environment. So what we've decided, most likely the right environment would be, for those, I always talk about the free 12 module video course. And that's something that you have to sign up for outside of this platform. That takes a little bit of work. You might have to type something in. You may have to click a button. You know what I mean? But for those who are willing to do that, for those who are willing to take 5 minutes to sign up, opt in order to get some knowledge and a free course for themselves, those are the people who have stepped forward, raised their hands, and said, hey, I'm ready to do this. I'm ready to take this beyond entertainment purposes, and I'm really willing to take action. For the person who won't even click to get something free, chances are this is probably the wrong platform for them. So bottom line is this: we're going to continue the jump on it segment because I want to help people, but I want to help those who want to be helped. You indicate that you actually want to be helped when you take the time to leave this platform, sign up for the course for yourself. Okay, so we're going to continue, and those are the people who deserve my time. So if you have any comments about this, please leave them in the comments section. Let me know what you think. That's where we're going from there. Hope this information was valuable for you. Give it a thumbs up. This is Horace, What to Sell on Amazon, and I'm out.